Yeah, take. Whoa, 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 buddy. There's a joke. There's a joke. In your wait. There it is.
Don't forget to subscribe and slap the bell so you never miss a video.
Jeff, where you at, bro? Yo, let's go, man.
Oh,
What are you doing,
hey.
bro?
Hey, what you guys doing?
Hey, Moose,
Jimmy.
how you doing? Hey. I'll distract him. Hey.
Watch this,
hey,
Moose. He
hey,
got a
Moose.
magic trick for you.
Yeah, bro. Watch this.
Hey guys, I'm gonna make your home disappear. What do you mean you're gonna make my home disappear, bro?
Run!
Hey, oh my God! Oh, that's legit acid, bro.
Yo,
Yo, what the heck, man?
You're
Oh,
crazy,
snap!
man.
Ow!
You're insane. You're an insane scientist, bro.
That just happened.
Bro.
Is that legit acid? It's burning through my house.
Guys, I'm gonna go swimming.
Yay! Bye, John, bye. All right.
That was fun.
Bye. Watch this. Watch the water tower. Okay, here we go, boys. What do we got? And there goes the water tower. What a beautiful masterpiece.
I want to go swimming in that too.
Look at that
Yeah,
shit,
it's like the thing at Six Flags. Ready? Da-da-da-da.
Yeah,
Yeah, now I'm covered in water.
it's
It's acid.
It's in the shark though, because it's the water tower, bro. Okay, so anyways, guys, welcome back to a brand new Crazy MooseMods video. Yo, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stop leaving like, yo, what's good, bro? And what's today? Yo, today we got the PG mod and PG mod. Oh, I mean, sorry, not PG mod. PG is the dude that recommended the pizza mod. So shout out to my boy PG. Yo,
PG.
PG. It's PG, not VG.
PG-13.
PG-13. I'm just kidding. But anyways, shout out to my boy PG. Yo, or PJ. Paul George. Anyways,
Yo,
now.
you know who loves pizza?
The basketball player. No, oh my God. Yo.
I love pizza.
You love pizza?
I love pizza.
I love
So
pizza.
does
Leave
Ariel.
a like for pizza, man. Yo, by the way, if you guys want to be featured on tomorrow's wall of shoutouts, just simply leave a like, a subscribe, and slap the bell. And comment down below what mod do you want to see next. Now let's march this at the daycare and put acid on top. Yay! Daycare. Awkward. I'm just thinking about the Moose Roleplays YouTube channel.
Moose.
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 Hi, Philip. Hi. Philip escaped. He's a ninja. Philip the ninja.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You hungry? Here we go, Philip.
And Lucy. Want to see something cool? Yeah, I want to see it. What do you got? Yeah. Wow. Oh my God.
Whoa, that's actually really cool.
Right? That's
It
pretty
just
cool, dude.
disappears.
Look at down there.
All right. They're going swimming. Whoa.
Yo, we have so many things here, guys. Where'd you go? You
Where
going?
am I? Moose.
Hi.
What's up, buddy?
Neighbors. Yay.
This is a playground? Is this your thinking spot?
This is my thinking spot.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Of course it is. What? No. What?
What happened?
Ah, that's right, Jeff.
Okay,
I'm
so
creative
now we got
mode.
water balloons. Oh!
Come on, whoa! Hey, Philip's going swimming! Yay!
Take that, Philip! Enjoy these
Philip,
water
Philip.
balloons.
Did he pass? Yeah.
Oh my
wow.
God, he's glitching out.
He's actually really good swimmer.
Yeah, there we go.
Next
See, there are a
Michael
bunch of
Phelps,
different water balloons that we got over here. We got light blue, we got yellow, we got all the water balloons possible. And we have even more water balloons. Yo, how many water balloons are... Wait,
What?
Philip, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Now we got dinner.
Yay, Bilo! My brother Bilo, here you go! Some of the stuff explodes. I bet it does, Jeff. Nice. Okay,
Whoa.
let's get rid of all these.
Acid, water, lava. That's crazy. I never seen
you
such
said
a
you have
mixture.
do you have explosive balloons? Yeah, I'm just gonna try it out myself and hopefully find out. Oh, white smoke bomb. What does this do? Huh. Bilo survived. No, he didn't. Bye,
Wow.
Bilo. I'm just
Well, he's
getting
trapped.
smoke bomb. Yeah.
What? Yo, whoa, hey, it's dark.
Okay, so
Whoa, this is actually
let's check
really
out
cool.
all of these. There's so many items. I don't even know where to get started, man. It's just so much stuff, dude. Here we go. We're gonna go all out, boys. We're gonna go all out. We're gonna check out every single item out there.
Jeff, what are you doing, bro?
Look, guys,
man.
I have invisible armor. Hit me with your best shot. Hit me with your best shot. Sorry. Okay, so let's check this out, man. we have a pet rock. His name is Bob. Hashtag Bob the Pet Rock. Jeremy, for you. Wait, Jeremy, put that on.
Okay, I got you, bro.
I feel like it's a red target.
How do I look, guys?
I can't see it.
What?
Did you put it
Follow
on?
me. Yeah, I don't know, man.
Oh. Well, that's kind of lame.
Yeah. What?
All right. Yo, my pet rock Billo, my pet rock Bob. Psst. What? What's up?
Hey.
It's for mobs. Wait, what? What? Were you calling me a mob? Is that target chest plate? Oh, hey! Stop! No!
Yeah, in your face, Moose. Get him, Jeff. Get him.
Gravity accelerator. The particle accelerator. Oh, and wait, are these breaking? Oh wow. Yo,
Yeah,
Billo's really
it
stuck
fell.
down there, man. I kind of feel bad for him, bro.
Yo,
Hey, Billo.
let's check him out. Hey,
Hi,
hey,
Billo.
buddy.
Here's a heater. What does a heater do? No!
Oh, he's angry at
Jay!
Jeff. What?
Billo!
You can't do that, Billo. Ah, in your face, Billo. Yeah, that's
What's
right.
an explosive rail do?
I'm gonna ride that.
I feel like it's gonna be. Do you have a minecart? Here. Yo, everything's
has
collapsing,
everything.
bro.
Jeremy, okay.
Yo,
We got again.
yo,
You ready, guys?
yeah.
Take a picture of me, Miss. How do I look?
You look beautiful, buddy. Yeah.
Thanks, man, I'm ready.
Give it up for
3,
Jeremy. Go
2.
subscribe to his Monsters on YouTube channel. Go.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, that's kind of
we're
lame.
Yeah, what?
Huh.
What? Oh, maybe you need that red cobblestone stuff. You know what I mean?
Reverse TNT. What does this do? Oh, it is powered. Yeah, Dumbo. Oh my God, that was crazy. What about an acid bucket? I'm gonna put this right over. Up.
The
hold
red
on.
cobble. Yeah, you know what, Jeff? I'm a noob, and you should know that by now. That's why you hired me.
Hey guys, this is not looking safe. I'm stuck down here. Help! Help!
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Go! Are you good? Come on! Jeremy, you're too
happening?
thick for the rail car!
Sorry, I need to lose some weight. Ah!
That was good, dude. That was good. I like
That's
it.
awesome. Let's go
Yes.
again.
Look at the cooler. It makes things colder.
now it's a hot tub. Right, Jeff?
And now it's reverse DNT.
Whoa, and I'm gone.
Hey
Wow, I'm
guys,
still
Moose
alive. I'm still alive. I don't know where I am now, and I'm gone.
here. All right, dude. Awesome. So, what we're gonna do next now? Let's check out these items over here, man. We got so much.
I am in. I don't even know
Item
where I am.
catalog. Check it out, guys. Look, it's pretty cool. All right, so let's figure out what this. Ooh, hold on. Yo, I got this item. It's a
I think
mine
I'm at
turtle.
the very bottom of the
And
lab.
if you. Ah!
Wow, Moosecraft blew up. It's
Aw,
okay.
man.
Join the club.
Yay!
Oh, I'm finally created. Now I can fly up. Oh, you were right next to me, Moose?
Nice!
Where did we end
So
up, bro?
much-
I literally had no clue where I was. I was just stuck at the bottom of this
Really?
dungeon, whatever
You
Jeff
can teleport,
created,
you
bro.
know? I taught you how to teleport. Look, it's
Nah,
pocket
it's
sand.
not teleport.
It's just sand.
What is that?
Hey! And
bye-bye, Moose.
Jeff broke the one I never wanted. My helmet. Give my helmet back, you nub. Ah, this guy. Oh, rubber
How you
chicken.
doing, Jeff?
Yoy. Yoy. Squeak.
What's up, buddy?
Whoo. Woo.
Whoa, what was that, bro?
Check it out. Squeaky toy. Yoy.
Is that squeaky? Is that chicken that blows stuff up?
Uh-huh. And we have hidden lights,
That's
raw
amazing.
rubber, and then paper bag hat.
Hey, guess what?
Hey, what's good, guys?
Oh,
It's your
you
boy,
look
Moose
so
Cat
funny.
Dude. Like,
You look like a
beautiful.
pet rocks. Go stand next to him, bro. You look fun, dude.
Okay. Does anyone have a pet rock for me? Nah.
Oh, you got a pet Jeff.
Yay!
Now
Let's
you
take a
guys are
picture, Jeff, for
twins.
Twitter. For Twitter, it's MooseCap. Come here. There we go. Yay! Here, Jerry, put one on too. Yeah, put one on. I have this
Okay.
one too. You put this on, Jeremy. Put this hat on. give him the propeller helmet. I got you. Here, give him this one. Jeremy, come here. Jeremy.
Hold on.
What are you
I'm
looking
putting
at?
this stuff on.
Yeah, propeller helmet. Jeff!
Wait, hold on. The propeller helmet or the bag?
No, not the bag. The bag is only for mooses, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. How do I look?
All right, get behind. All right. Jeff, you gotta have one too. You gotta have the paper bag.
Hold on. I'm gonna get the chicken.
We want the pet rock. We need a pet rock for the picture, dude. Okay, here we go. Pet rock. Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, look.
I'm gonna stand in the middle.
All right, buddy. Here we go. And wait for it. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yay! All right, awesome. There we go. That's the picture for Twitter, man. I'm gonna post it right now. So go follow me on Twitter. Go follow my boy Chef Jeremy and Jeff the Moose on Twitter.
We make videos all day, every day.
Jeff the Moose at It's Moosecraft and at It's Chef Jeremy, right? Yeah. Okay, buddy.
That's right, Moose. Good job. And this is Jeff. Hey, Jeff.
Hey.
Well, he's flying with his hat. That is amazing.
Really?
Am I flying with my hat?
I don't think you can fly with a hat, dude.
Look.
So I have these weird things over here. These are called improved iron hose. And left click crops harvest with range, harvest and red plant. Okay, total range. So it's pretty much like you can do more things far away. It's kind of weird. Oh!
What? Yo, bro, Jeff.
Yo, check it out. Look.
Cool, man.
Look at this, guys. Look.
Oh, wow.
Anyone want to go farming?
It's growing. It grew. That was so fast.
All right.
What is this chicken? What does this pet chicken do?
I don't know. World's smallest violin. Look. Yo. Hey. Yo, I got an idea. Watch this. Ready? Hey, Jeremy. Hey, Jeremy.
Hey.
What's your biggest goal?
Oh, my goal? You! Look at the target!
No, okay. Hey, Jeremy.
Hey.
How do you feel about your YouTube channel?
I think it's I like it. I like it.
Too bad. You have no subs! I'm just kidding, Jeremy. We love you, bro.
Yeah! You love me too, Moose.
There you go, buddy. Take that. That's the smallest violin.
That was hilarious.
This is Jeff's violin that he has to play when he loses in every single car.
Yeah, I just think of SpongeBob when it was the Krusty Krab pizza.
Yeah, it's just the Krusty Krab.
And then when his really upset, he plays a small violin. I'm like,
oh. Hey guys.
Yeah.
I'm upside down.
What is?
I don't really know.
What are you wearing, bro?
What?
You just put on some kind of goggles. You wear you upside down?
What's a block bomb launcher? What does this do? How does this work?
Hey, Moose.
Ah! Hey. What? What's up, buddy?
Take that. I'm stuck. Yeah, take. Whoa, buddy. In your wait. Ah! There it is. I laughed too early. I was excited.
All right, I got you. Yo, watch this. Ready? Watch this. Nice. Okay, hold on. I got you, bro.
Boom. That's right, Jeff. Take that.
Hey, Jeff. I got a little surprise gift for you, buddy. Hey, yeah.
That's right, Moose.
Yo, you want to see Jeff's laboratory blow up, dude? Watch this, dude. Here we go. Just sprinkle it around.
Whoa, that's actually amazing. I love this. Can I have it?
And then just do one of these. That's one of that. And next thing you know, it's, oh, God.
Whoa.
Yay. Wow.
I'm sorry, Jeff.
Yay. What's the...
Yay.
Look, we decorated it, bro.
Look at all these materials.
Jeremy's like, oh my God, diamonds. Okay, I also have a cactus sword. So this one, pick your enemies and yourself to death. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, Jeremy, I got you, buddy. Game mode 0. Yay.
Yo, bro, what is happening? Yo, bro, hey! Why do I always die? In every single episode?
Sorry. Look, this is an anvil. I'm not sure how this works, by the way. Weighs down the wearer and damage is their fault. Okay, cool. Gotcha. So, anyways, what else do we have?
I'm in the water. I'm swimming up.
Check out pretty much every single item. We got one more item left, by the way. It's called a firing can. So you pretty much put things on fire. Just like you put things on fire, bro. It's like a flamethrower in a sense. All right.
Is
there a balloon? Is there a balloon here?
Yep. I got balloons.
Yay! All right. Yo, one more thing, by the way. Jeremy,
whoa, so mad.
Jeremy, we're going to do the outro right now. Same with you, Jeff. So the only way to do is, though, we gotta wear upside down goggles. Everybody come in here.
Okay.
Here we go.
I love these balloons. Look how many.
All right, Porter, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Is all the items? Yes, it is. Here we go. You gotta wear this. You gotta wear that. All right, everybody put it on. Yay! Hey, guys, we're upside down now. What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Okay.
Where are they?
It's in your inventory, you nub.
It's not. I got a mini turtle. Throw it to me again, please.
Oh, my God, this man.
I don't know where it went, man. I swear.
There's 1, there's 2,
Thank
there's
you,
3,
thank you. No,
there's
no,
4,
no,
there's
no,
5.
chill,
One
bro,
for
chill.
every single eye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. We're upside
this
down.
is crazy, bro. I can't see
And
anything.
we'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye! Subscribe
Bye,
and go check out some
guys.
other MooseMods videos. Yeah, the sky's falling!